Okay, how to address a worn ring and pinion gear in the Mini E-revo brushless edition Millennium VXL. So what's happened here is my rear pinion gear and ring gear have experienced some wear. And what happened is it's not completely gone, but some of the little tips of the ring gear have been worn off. So under a heavy load, it makes this clicking noise. I determined where on the truck the clicking noise came from by using a stethoscope with the circle part taken off, so it's just the hose, and I just pushed it to all the different spots and turned the wheels until it made a clicking noise, and that's how I figured out the clicking noise was here. So I went back into my garage and I found some little shims I had here, little washer type things, just happened to be the right size to fit right here. So what that does is it pushes on this, which puts a little more pressure on this guy, which is going to make him seat a little bit tighter. So I'll be able to keep using it without replacing those gears. This is temporary. These gears are going to need to get replaced eventually. They're already starting to wear, but this little temporary fix will at least get me back out bashing while I wait for the gears to arrive from the internet. I bought just the ring and pinion gears as a set off of eBay for less than $12, including shipping. So when they arrive, I'll have them in my box waiting for this little operation to fail. So it's a little tighter in here. It's probably going to create a little bit more friction. So maybe I'll lose a little bit of power. It might generate a little bit of heat. Who knows what will happen. Hopefully it doesn't melt the whole thing, but we'll get to that in the testing phase.
I've been helping out a lot of
well,
I think she must have dropped the bottle. Oh, right. Well, you can see how I make that mistake.
The shim works. It's a little bit noisier in the drivetrain. There's some binding, but no more clicking noise. So, yay!